Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Okay, so right now, since a lot of you guys have been trying the hot dogs and saying that it didn't turn out right, I'm going to let you know what they are supposed to look like. We're going to open a can of hot dogs. Canned hot dogs. This is what my canned hot dogs look like. They have a little bit of liquid on the bottom. I don't put anything in them. And we're going to open them. You're going to hear the pop, and they're going to puff up a little bit. So, with my husband's help, there's the pop. Take the lid off. Oops. There you go. Okay. So, this is what they look like in there. You can see as the air gets a little bit bigger, they're getting a little bit puffier. So, excuse me, guys. Allergies again. So, look any different to you? They plump up when you open them, guys. So, get that other jar for me. Right in the front. So, sometimes the jars look like this, and I'm going to show you. Don't get alarmed because they puff up exactly the same way. It's right in the front. Okay. Depending on what hot dogs you use, some of the hot dogs will look like this in the jar before you open it. Okay. These are a cheaper brand of hot dog. These are chicken bar S hot dogs that I used for this. And this is what they do. When the air is sucked out, they look all plump like this when they come out. In fact, they're all sucked to the side of the jar. And as they cool, this is what they end up being. It's just like that. So it depends on what kind of hot dog you use. If you use the cheap one, they're going to come out like this. When you open this, they plump right up. It's only two of us right now, so I'm not going to do that right now. But you can see that this one, these are the beef hot dogs. I believe these Oscar Mayer, one of those. And they have liquid on the bottom where these do not have any liquid at all. But they taste really good. They both taste really good. So we're going to use these, and we're going to be making chili dogs with them. We have a jar of Skyline chili that we're going to be using for the hot dogs that we bought. And then we have some sharp cheddar cheese. And just wanted to let you guys know what they're supposed to look like. They smell really good. I love canned hot dogs. So don't be alarmed. They both taste good. See how these are plumping up though. So these are what I call barbecue hot dogs because they taste like you barbecued them when you can them. They're really good. My grandkids' favorite. I think this is going to be the first time that my husband has tried the canned hot dogs, right? Yes. He's not going to answer on camera, but he's right here. So, and you saw his hand, so he really is here. Anyway, any questions? Let me know. Lots more videos coming. The dehydrating video is coming up. Working on that, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.